Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video, I will show you how to change brightness for Little Nightmares 3. Let's begin! First of all, let's go into the settings. Now in the settings, we want to simply go into the brightness, and now we have this screen right here. Usually you probably want to adjust the slider until the eye is barely visible. This is because many different monitors have many different brightness screens built in, but if you want, you can, for example, bump it up completely, or we can bump it all the way down, and at least for me, the eye is just no longer visible. But you can play around with the settings. You can always hit W in order to reset these settings. So as you can see, by default we have 50, and you can hit enter to apply and save them. And that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and as always, thanks for watching. See you next time.